Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from ZAO Workshop, and this is the Redeem Saint Armor. One of my favorite Chinese model kit in the market. And hindi ako nagsisi na binili ko to kasi ang ganda ng kulay nito. Gusto ko yung kulay niya. In terms of the shade of purple, purplish blue or indigo, and gray, red, and some clear orange. Although medyo hindi siya matingkad, pero I really like the combination of the color. Sobrang naangasan ako sa itsura niya. So hindi siya yung traditional model kit ng mga Chinese na ginagaya din yung color scheme ng mga protagonist model kit from Bandai or from Gundams, particularly Gundams. This kit has a deep resemblance of, for me, Gundam Mark III color. Although, nung binili ko yung Gundam Mark III, hindi ako nagandahan sa kulay niya kasi ang pusyaw. Ito yung Gundam Mark III. So, wait, para mapagtabi natin sila na maayos. I'll remove this stand here. Okay. So, they're almost the same height of Gundam Mark III. But in terms of color, I was expecting that Gundam Mark III has the same color with this Redeem, but panis. Mas maganda yung kulay ng Redeem compared sa Gundam Mark III. Although same sila halos ng color pattern. May red, may indigo, pero wala siya nung yung purple na or purplish blue na dark compared dito. So let's talk about this handsome guy here. So this kit is somehow I think a parang concept ni Providence Gundam in terms of the backpack. So the backpack here is very nice. Parang cross shape siya. Although this should be the beam saber effect blade, but I chose to put it here at the back. Supposed to be ito rin sana yung nakalagay sa likod niya sa taas, pero I much prefer this kind of design here para mas maangas tingnan. It's like a cross shape. So parang siyang cruise, di ba? Kaya pala Saint Armor. So santo. And it has gun. Yan, beam rifle. Then the shield. The shield also, these two shields here can be placed here sa likod. So, dito yan ilalagay. Pero I much prefer to put it on the forearms para it acts as shield. So mas maganda siya. So the shield has booster there also because it can be placed on the backpack for more flight advantage, booster advantage. And this cross shape here, or this ito yung parang mga fin funnels niya, can be deployed in flying state, or you can make it as spear. But unfortunately, I don't like making a spear out of this flight pack because mas gusto ko lang yung naka-flight pack siya kasi ang ganda eh. Parang Providence Gundam yung dating niya, di ba? Parang Providence and Mark III combined. Okay, so this part here can also move yung sa likod niya. Parang shoulder cannons niya. And di na ako masyado magfo-focus sa nito, sa articulation, since there are so many reviews of this kit, so I give the credits of articulation for the other channels. I'll just tell you about the experience of the build for this kit. So this kit is really smooth build. I didn't encounter any issue on about fitting, so there's no fitting issues for this kit. Everything is smooth. The only problem is for me is the back. Of course, this is a back heavy kit, but good thing the joints here on the torso is really stiff. So, kaya niyang support. This kit can support its own back. And the gun here, the only primary weapon here, is very nice. It's very light. So I did modify the hands by using the Dalin decal hand. So this hand is already Dalin decal. And since the gun is very heavy, I drilled hole for the peg insertion dun sa handle ng barrel, and kaya nahawakan niya na maayos, even though Dalin decal is not cannot hold heavy and large weapons, but still is secured. Even if I shake, it will not fall down. Okay, so I did some painting also for the silver paintings here. So the silver parts, I mean this one, that one, these are all painted or marker. I used marker, and this golds here, I used marker also, to have some breaking of the monotonous color. So parang magkaroon lang siya ng character, di ba? And I choose the orange beam saber effect parts and for the clear parts because masyado na maraming red. So there's already red here, so might as well instead of using red, put some orange. And the orange color is the original color seen in the box art. So the kit is really heavy. Yep, it's massive. So meaning there are so many plastic in this kit, and the plastic quality of this kit is really nice. It's not that brittle, and hindi siya kamukha nung Bandai quality plastic na parang madaling mayupi or mabali. So medyo makunat-kunat yung plastic nito, but it's not hard to fit together because wala nga siyang fitting issues as I told you. So medyo problem lang dito is yung sa feet din. So napapansin nyo lagi kong hawak kasi medyo back heavy and the feet tends to flop din, pero by proper adjustment he can stand on its own para kahit hindi nalagyan ng action base stand. But the action base stand for this kit is cool, but I don't want to use it. I want to sell that action base stand, by the way. And yes, this kit is cheap. I bought it about 1,600 plus, I think, from NeoHobs. And thank you, NeoHobs, for selling this at an affordable price. Okay, let's do some quick size comparison for this kit. I have here the 1/100 scale master grade regular height, or regular master grade here. So this is 18 centimeters and this is about 21 centimeters. So redeem here is a bit taller than your average Gundam master grade kit. So do I recommend this kit? Yes, I recommend this kit for intermediate builders, intermediate to advanced builders. This is just easy build, but for beginners it has so many repetitive parts, small parts, and even somehow brittle parts, especially the clear colored part. So for beginners, still practice pa bago kayo mag-build ng mga ganitong klaseng kit. For intermediate and advanced, this is just a CCU sa inyo. Okay? So again, thank you very much for watching this commentary review of Redeem from ZAO Workshop. This is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio saying good night, Gunpla, take care. Happy building, happy collecting. Masalama, auf Wiedersehen, sayonara, paalam sa inyong lahat, adios.